Hello students, today we will study lines and angles. Earlier we also studied about angles. There are different types of angle. Acute angle. Acute angles are those angles whose measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. It means जो 0 degree से बड़ा हो और 90 degree से smaller हो, that angle is known as acute angle. Then we have right angle, whose exact measure is exactly 90 degree measure is known as right angle. Then obtuse angle, which measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. That means greater than 90 and less than 180. So this is known as obtuse angle. Then straight angle, whose measure is exactly 180 degree. Then we have reflex angle. Reflex angle measures between 180 degree and 360 degree. That means greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So जो इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करेगा 180 से 360 के बीच में, that angle is known as reflex angle. So we have acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. After that we have complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. Sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then we have supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those in which sum of two angles is 180 degree. That means when we have two angles, like we consider one angle as x, then its complementary angle is 90 minus x. Similarly, if we have one angle is of x degree, so its supplement angle will be 180 minus x. Then we have some more angles like adjacent angle. Adjacent angles are those angles which have one common arm and vertex. Like we have this angle A, O, B and C. So OB is the common arm and O is the common vertex. So angle AOB and angle BOC are the adjacent angles. Now we have linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So linear pair of angles, if the two non-common arms in a same straight lines make some 180 degree is known as linear pair. Like we have this a straight line and this has an angle A, B, C, D. So it completes half of the circle. So angle ABD plus angle CBD makes a linear pair and the sum of linear pair is equals to 180 degree. We can also notate them by the number, or in short you can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. We can note them by using alphabet also, like we can take it x, y. So we can say x plus y is equals to 180 degree. So linear pair of angle basically has some 180 degree. They complete half of the circle on a same straight line So it makes a linear pair of angles. Then we have vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles frames between two intersecting lines. Like we have one line AOB and another line is COD. Then angle AOD. Angle AOD is vertical opposite to the angle BOC and they are equal. Now angle AOC. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. These two are also equal because they are also of opposite to each other. So angle AOC is also equals to angle BOD. Here also we can notate them by the number or by using the letters. So it means angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. We can also prove this theorem. That means vertical opposite angles are equal. We have to state first, if two line intersects, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. We can prove this theorem. How? First we have to draw a figure. We are taking two intersecting lines, line AOB and line COD. So we have two intersecting lines AOB and COD. We have to prove that vertical opposite angles are equal. So here we have to prove angle AOD is equals to angle BOC or either angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. So for that we have to write a proof for that. You can prove this theorem by using the number or letters, like we took it as X, Y, Z, W. So as we know, AOB is a line. On a line, a linear pair is formed. So that means X plus Y is equals to 180 degree, as this is a linear pair. We took AOB is a line and X plus Y is equals to 180 degree. Mark this as equation number 1. Now COD is a line. So we also take here Y plus Z is equals to 180 degree due to linear pair, and mark this as equation number 2. Now we took Y plus Z. We took Y plus Z. We mark them as 1 and 2. As because 1 is equals to 180 degree, equation 2 is also equals to 180 degree. So we can say that from equation 1 and 2, these two values are equal. That means X plus Y is equals to Y plus Z. Now we have a same value like Y and Y both values are there. So these are cancelled by each other. It means X is equals to Z, which are vertical opposite angle. X means angle AOD and Z means angle BOC. So it means vertical opposite angles are equal. So we can say that hence proved. Similarly, if you want to prove angle Y is equals to W, we can also take it like AOB is a line, then W plus Z is equals to 180 degree and Y plus Z is also 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove this. Now we have another pair of angles that is called alternate interior angles. alternate interior angles. For alternate interior angles, we must have two parallel lines. Consider line L and M, and T is a transversal line. Line L is parallel to M and T is transversal. So when angle frame in a form of a Z, how we can find them? That they are making a Z in this way, or a reverse Z you also consider in this way. So the angle forming inside it are alternate interior angles. The angles forming inside it, these are alternate interior angles. Like you make a Z, extend these lines, we can extend this line. So the angles we got inside it are as known as alternate interior angles, and these angles are equal, like A, B, C, D, or you can take by numbers. So A is equals to B and C is equals to D, or you can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. These are alternate interior angles. We can use these angles in our exercise to solve the questions. Hello students. Today we will do question number 1 from exercise 6.1, in which we have given lines AB and CD intersect O if AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree, given angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. Then we have to find angle BOE. Angle BOE we have to find, and reflex angle COE we have to find. So angle AOC is this one angle, angle BO is this one angle. First we will find angle COE. Okay, AOB is a line, so it means angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree linear pair. So angle AOC plus, break angle BOC into two parts because we have value of BOE. So BOC can be breaked into BOE plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. As AOC plus BOE is 70 degree given, so plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. So it means angle COE is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree is equals to 110 degree. But we have to find reflex angle COE. So reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So it means reflex of CO is 360 minus 110 degree. So it is 250 degree. First part we found. Now we have to find BOE. So BOE. Angle BOD we have given. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. These are vertical opposite angles. So BOD you have given 40 degree. So it means AOC is also 40 degree. Now we have given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree, and value of AOC is 40 degree plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. So angle BOE is equals to 70 degree minus 40 degree is equals to 30 degree. Hence we found both the values. Our next question is, we have given a figure. This line is X, Y this is M, N, this is P point, this is O, this is 90 degree, and this is A and B. We have given angle POY, angle POY is equals to 90 degree, and A ratio B is equals to 2 ratio 3. This is C. We need to find C. But we have to find C. So solution is, as XOY is a line, so it means angle XOP plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree linear pair, and XOP plus POY is given 90 degree. We put the value. Now found the value of XOP, that is 180 minus 90 degree is equals to 90 degree. Now as we have given ratio of A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. So we need to be find then sum of ratio, that is 2 plus 3, 5. We can find the value of B as B is equals to 3 over sum of ratio, it means 5, and we got sum as 90 of XOP. So this is 90. So 5 1 ja, 5 18 ja, 18 3 ja, 54. Value of B is 54. Now MON is a line. So it means B plus C is equals to 180 degree linear pair. As we already found the value of B, that is 54 degree, plus C is equals to 180 degree. So C is equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So C is equals to 10 minus 4 6, 8 minus 5 3, and 1. Sorry, this will be 2. So value of C is 126 degree. Now we have next question in which we have given a figure. We are given a triangle PQR, and QR line is extended up to point S and T. Here we have given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. This is given to us. We have to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. We have given PQR is equals to PRQ, and we have to prove this angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So for this, prove angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to 180 degree linear pair, and mark this as equation number 1. Similarly, angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degree. This is also making a linear pair, and mark this as equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, as because both are equals to 180 degree, so we can say that these two are equal. So it means angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now as we have given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, this thing we have given, so we can use this value in our equation in the given one, that in place of PQR we can substitute the value PRQ plus angle PQS is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now we have this angle same PRQ and PRQ, so these two are cancelled out. We remain with PQS is equals to angle PRT. This we need to be proved. So hence proved. Now we have next question. Fourth one, we have given this figure A, O, B, C, D, and markings are given X, Y, W, Z. Here we have given in question number 4, X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. It is given. We have to prove that AOB is a line. So when we have to prove that a line is there, that means here we have to prove AOB is a line. So we need to prove that, like here, X plus Y is equals to 180 degree, either W plus Z is equals to 180 degree, because a line gives a linear pair. If we proved opposite of that, so our answer will be proved out. So proof here, as we don't have given a line, so we can't take a linear pair. So what we can take? We can take angle at a point. Here we have a point O, and that's why X plus Y plus Z plus W is equals to 360 degree due to angle at a point. Now we have given X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. So in place of X plus Y, we can write W plus Z is equal plus Z plus W is equals to 360 degree. Now 2 times W and 2 times Z is equals to 360 degree. Taking out common 2, so W plus Z is equals to 360 degree. So W plus Z is equals to 360 by 2 is equals to 180 degree. As because W plus Z is equals to X plus Y, so it means X plus Y is also 180 degree. So what we can say that AOB is a line. So our answer is proved. We can write here, hence proved. Next question, number 5th, we have given POQ is a line. We have given POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. So this is a ray OS. So what we have given here, that OR is perpendicular to line PQ. What we need to prove here, that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. How we can prove that? Writing proof over here, that OR is perpendicular on PQ. So it means that angle ROP is equals to 90 degree. Also angle ROQ is equals to 90 degree. So both are equals to 90 degree. It means we can say that angle POR or ROP is equals to angle ROQ. So we are writing angle POR as angle POS plus angle ROS, because this is the angle POR. So POS plus angle ROS is equals to angle ROQ, we can write as angle QOS minus angle ROS. Now shifting, angle ROS plus angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. 2 times ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. So angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved.
Thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe it.